This field is backed in the corner. Right, the Coyote's getting a bath today, but just in the nick of time, we broke this baby out. So let's see how my welds worked, and let's see how the disc chisel worked. I think we're gonna have fun. Alright, so I'm back at this ripper implement. This was the largest thing I could find at Rural King. They didn't have rolled steel. So what I'm trying to do here is connect this entire thing here. I'm still skeptical, but I'm going to try and lift it up and get under there. If I get welds underneath it, I'll feel a lot better. So then this one is going to go on this side, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, surprisingly, I backed right up and latched it right on. Quick attach. I had everything right. So I'm almost thinking about parking it just to stick with a somewhat of a victory today, but I gotta go at least try it. At least try it a little bit and see if I break it right off. Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, you can see that I'm totally soaked in sweat, but I just finished with that mega beast there, the disc chisel. So I'm gonna give it a try. And this is just from working in the bay that I got air conditioning blowing on. It's not like air conditioned, but I have a huge fan blowing out there. And it's only in the 80s, but it's the humidity. So anyways, hopefully the ground ain't too wet, but let's give it a try. All right, I suspect if it's gonna break, it's gonna break quick. It won't take very long. So here's the first pass with the new disc chisel. Looking really good. Granted, I broke this up once or twice, but not right here. This was pretty much sod. And that's just one pass down and one back. So that's pretty dang impressive. You know, you could see the roots it's pulling up. And it'll make the tiller go, you know, 3 or 4 times as fast if I want to. But so far so good. But let's get some different angles of it. It made several loud noises, but I saw that's the springs popping. So they're doing their job. And as far as I know, I didn't crack anything. Alright, so far so good. It's working really nice. Really nice. I gotta try it on some true sod though. That's gonna be the real test. But so far so good. The springs are popping up when they're hitting big stumps and roots. right, looks like we might be in business. I am in four-wheel drive. You could see it catches roots and stuff. Dumps them on the other end, you know, when you lift it up. Them roots down there. This field on the ropes. This field is backed in the corner. Now we're cross-cutting, and man, it's starting to fill in holes. Let's take a look back here. take a look at this plot. Man, it's looking good. Yeah, it's raining good now. Man, we have been just getting clobbered by rain, but I wish I had my plots done here, but this one is one step closer. This one is looking really good. Definitely on the ropes. Pretty much a knockout blow with this last implement. Before I get all mucked up. This is what we're famous for down here, pop-up showers. Look at how pretty that looks. Woo! Well, we're getting a free bath. Look at the tires though. Josh, when's the last time your Kubota has seen any dirt on the tires? Just checking. Cool. Alright, well, huge success right there with the chisel plow. As far as I know, I didn't break anything. I checked a few times. Looking good.